Thank you for raising this wonderful occasion to our lives. Thank you for coming here in our simple abode. I would like to thank Bastana for giving us this opportunity. Bastana is the best for me and the best for us. With God's grace, Bastana just popped up on the FB, Facebook. Then the rest is history. It was really a feeling of fulfillment for me. Feeling of fulfillment because of Bastana. And I'm very thankful to Bastana. If I were to recommend any housing loans, housing, what do you call that, projects, I would first recommend Bastana. I hope these words of mine would reach the Bastana CEO, Dr. Cecil Fajardo Apostol, and to everyone present here. Hindi po kayo nagkamali sa pagpili ng Bastana. And kami, hindi kami nagkamali. Ito na po yung resulta. And wala akong masabi but it's a 100% built with passion and compassion. Ito ay nagawa with the heart.